means everything to me to play baseball. It's taken over my life almost. That's where I felt most comfortable and felt like I was home. My senior year of high school, I had a UCL tear. I was doing this program to try and throw harder, and I felt a pop. Did not feel good, tingling went down the hand, and so didn't throw for about 2 weeks, and then threw again, and it popped again. I was like, all right, it's time to go see somebody. Ended up talking to my surgeon, said that my UCL was in good enough shape that he could do the internal brace technique. My biggest concern before the surgery was the unknown. Would I be able to pitch at the same level? My college coaches, they had knowledge of who Arthrex was, and they were like, we trust these guys with the world, and that settled me, gave me some peace on the inside. Now I have a clear path to recovery. After surgery, the first few times that I did step on the mound and pitch, I didn't know how it would go. I was kind of unsure if I'd be able to have my control and consistency that I'd had before. Kind of was like, all right, I just got to loosen up, just got to let it go. I got to trust what the surgeons did inside my arm. It wasn't long after my first pitch and I regained my confidence. Staying in the game means to just get another chance to step on that diamond again, get me back to where I wanted to be and more. I am no longer worried about my ability to play, and I'm excited about my future.